It's Brian here. I got some new video recording software and wanted to make a new trading video for you. Anyway, I went on and put some lines in just because I seem to take too long making these videos. So what we're looking at is a trade that I was in the other day. You'll just have to ignore this data over in this area because it was not there when I was making the trade. Anyway, we've got a downward trend. I've drawn this channel in just to show you that we're in a downward trend, and then drew this price pivot zone. You can call them support and resistance, pivot zones, whatever you want to. Anyways, we have had a pin bar set up, and I was a little late in seeing it. I'm not sure what time it came in, what I was doing, but I basically missed the trade, but it was an excellent signal. And I look for zones of confluence, which means different points coming together to help identify a high probability trade. So we've got this pivot zone, we've got the downward trend channel. They don't have to be exact. Doubt everybody draws them in exactly the same spots anyway. But we have the ADMA, these candles that are going down are kind of obeying the line right there, meaning they're closing below it, touching, closing below it. And then we have this pin bar that just pokes up through the 8 and the 21. It kind of hits about where our channel would be, and then it also touches on this line. So, I mean, I'm seeing 3 good areas of confluence, and then I was looking for a way to enter the trade. I didn't want to just jump on board without another sign. So the next thing that I looked for, I've put these lines up here, the next thing I looked for, right here, you can see we have a candle. I waited on that one to close, another one to open up, and it closed as an inside bar. So that's a setup that I like to trade too. So we've got the mother candle, and then we've got the inside bar there. And basically, to trade it, you trade on the break of it. So I put my entry sell limit 1 pip below the main candle there, and then I put my stop loss 1 pip above the top. So right here, this line's 1 pip above the top, and then I waited for it to break, and sure enough, it broke through. I always put my T1 or take profit zone. I always put it at 30 pips for my first one, and my second one I put it 2 times risk reward. So these are just kind of estimates. You know, I didn't capture this exactly as a live trade, but I'm trying to show you as if it had been a live trade how it played out. As you can see, it came down, and it actually did touch my my 30 point target, my T1, but the order never filled. And then I kind of just sat on my hands and started watching all these signals come around, and they, you know, higher closes, everything just telling me to get out. We had a doji here, I had another pin bar in the wrong direction, so I could have easily gotten out. I had 1, 2, 3, I mean basically 4 bars there that I could have got out at least break even, and if not with a little bit of profit, but I just kind of rode them out, and that's what happened. I ended up taking a loss on that. So a loss on a $2,000 account isn't really that large, although it be 2% what I'm risking. But you know, if it was a larger account, 100,000 plus, I doubt I would sit and ride it out. So just thinking along those principles, I would probably close out my trade next time if I could do this over again. And that's sort of my analysis. I hope you learned something.